So I asked my son Moses to come down and take care of the rabbits the other day, and he was gone for a really long time, so I came down to check on him, and here he was. He's got this chair set up. Check this out. I'm gonna touch this branch. Yep, there's two of them in there. I wonder what kind of birds those are. And this nest is like not very far from the ground. We have a cat, so hopefully they make it. Anybody know what kind of birds these are? I feel like they might be blue jays. Maybe I'm wrong.